Take a ride in the 2008 Dakota. The Dodge Dakota combines form, function, and fun. With its rugged style, well-rounded capability, and seating for 6, the Dakota brings you the ultimate mid-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.